We have been using Budding Bean English for nearly 3 years, and we have achieved excellent results. As a result, we have established the only Budding Bean English Learning Center in China, which is also a well-known English learning center in our local area. We have attracted many students who have heard about us. During the process of using Budding Bean Phonics for teaching, we have found that this phonics system is different from others, making our teaching more flexible and engaging for our children. Firstly, one thing we really like about Budding Bean English is the songs and rhymes. While many phonics books include some songs and rhymes, they often serve as mere decorations. However, the Budding Bean Phonics series consists of over 100 songs and rhymes, and many phonics rules are introduced through singing. This greatly increases the fun of learning for children and makes teaching easier for teachers. Secondly, in terms of understanding English, many phonics books either lack pictures or have insufficient ones. This can lead to children not understanding what is being said when learning words and blending them. However, Budding Bean English materials have thousands of accurate pictures, each corresponding to the words we are learning. This helps children understand the meaning while they are practicing pronunciation. It also prevents them from being able to read but not comprehend the meaning in future reading activities. Another point is about spelling. Prior to using Budding Bean Phonics, we spent nearly a year or even 2 years using the Budding Bean English Foundation series. During the Foundation series, children developed a solid foundation in listening, speaking, and reading. So, when they start with Budding Bean Phonics, they already have a complete understanding and a large vocabulary. Many of the words in Budding Bean Phonics come from our Budding Bean English Foundation series. Therefore, when children already understand and can say these words, their task in the phonics series is only how to spell them. This is something they can handle well at that point. Therefore, for our teachers, it usually takes about a year or even a year and a half to complete a full phonics series under normal circumstances. However, our children can master it very well in about 6 months or even less, and they can engage in extensive reading. The Budding Bean Phonics series consists of a total of 9 books, each with accompanying workbooks, readers, and CDs to facilitate effective learning for both teachers and children. Within these 9 books, there are 3 levels. Step 1 includes 1A, 1B, and 1C, focusing on the pronunciation of the 26 letters. Step 2 includes 2A, 2B, and 2C, aiming to help children with spelling, 1 vowel and 2 vowel sounds, as well as reading and spelling words with 1 or 2 vowels. Step 3 includes 3A, 3B, and 3C, primarily addressing special sounds and helping children read and spell words with special sounds.